bibi wo denile mu e ma wemfi se ade bia da ba wo so answer wo no saa de kro no abafa new method so aba destroy enti se 2026 ahomachi na make say if you want to go far in life, if you want your life to become a testimony, o pese wa bra boy nkunimdi a hwaniama eba wo so biribi atwem se ebesel the same thing ansesa bonsam onsesa ni bonsam ankasa honama kono eniwa kono na asitema hohoaho a eno na ode tempt Adam onya no eno na ode ko tempt Yesu we nya no eno ama ye so ode so ye hwe nemu in a different form. Shalom. Oni mese ewiase na ye wo no eniema bebre wo honom a eto nipa a se uyi Kristo ni kura na wonye spiritually sensitive ana wanye obi a de ebetu bia no ubebisa nyame a ade bo no befa no normal but ebetimi have effect e wo so later. Ahomachi bia ebo for Ghana timer me ya life our TikTok na eme o me say me life our TikTok na enkoma me ne wo ma joining me life edi na me bo no tofa amam. Genesis chapter 15 Abraham son daye ni mu no na oni nyame ya apam na emmo a wo mudi na abesisi apam emmoa no so na Abraham pamo. Chapter 16 of the same book of Genesis. Diana Abraham so ye ebem sa na emmoa no ebesisi apam nam no so ye Hagar kire se nyame ne Abraham be ya apam na amanama mu ni a oni apam no mu bi ebeda aba bedi apam no bi kire se Hagar beba Abraham life ama ba nyame ahye Abraham no wa benya mu chefa later Abraham be pam no te se de later Abraham pam Ishmael. Now so Abraham ye father of faith. Now so daye no I personally believe say maybe he couldn't understand the dream until the very chapter that he had the dream. The next chapter was the interpretation of the dream he had. And because Abraham failed to understand the dream, it happened live in his life. Sana oshe Samson ahumachina meka se Judges Samson ko ware. Ena jata ehia no. Ena Samson ekum jata no. Later o twemi no se okohwe jata ni fum no. Okoye na adore mmoa. Adena adore mmoa na asan adore ewo. Ena Samson te ewo ni bi ena odiye. Sa de na nyame pese o kire Samson say the very thing that came to kill or destroy Samson, the Spirit of God will come mightily upon him, and he, Samson, will defeat that thing. And that thing will develop a new strategy, and the thing will produce something that Samson will desire. And Samson will get closer to the thing, and the thing will defile Samson as a Nazarite, and that might bring him down. Sana jatani jina homa Philistine for. Say, one be attack Samson and he will destroy them. Because from Judges chapter 13, coming, and now Samson shared any Philistine for interacting in a negative way. Into chapter 14, it says, now God was still looking for an occasion whereby he can use Samson to destroy the Philistines. Into Samson, elko awariano, omiti jatano. Sana jatani a Philistine for a bad life say they are coming to destroy him. But the Spirit of God will come mighty upon Samson, and he will be able to kill or destroy the Philistines. And the Philistines will develop a new strategy. That is, they will develop army. Just a Philistine for the first strategy. One more Samson so to say Jata bet you one name. One member Samson so say Jata will develop idea. A word to say Delilah. So Philistine for develop a strategy. Because say ya Samson so na ye kose na ye ntumi no. Wa bra ya se there. Mama ya fa another strategy. Na strategy ni say ye the idea ye ete say what to say Delilah. Ebeba Samson life. Na Samson kwado. Na Samson di one through that a bit defile Samson. And remember, when the hair of Samson were shorn by Delilah, or by the guy Delilah called to shave Samson's hair, Samson's vow as a Nazarite was defiled, and he became like an ordinary person. It is honam family na to Samson no na a depicted picture but because Samson wasn't spiritually sensitive to connect himself to God and ask God the reason say DMT never me to coin na was some crash Judges 14 said nyame pesa Samson kwa wane wo Philistine nanso akoba se jata echiame ebi anta Samson nyamere ebisa nyame a nka God might give Samson an interpretation of whatever is happening in his life. The same thing applies to Genesis chapter 15. Sanka Abraham to me bisa nyame a na nka nyame betima ma Abraham interpretation of the dream say dream na wunya aye no e represent apama me ne wo no emu edi na ma represent heka bebowura apam no mu na obepam no na later beka kofa hawa ma nti ahoma achana na me ka se bonsam hu se ade bi ode aba wo so na ntumi amre wase a o develop new strategy ode sa ade no bebre wase na new strategy we be develop no eya ade a wani beje ho eya ade a wo pe it there are many people watching me a bibi ba wo so some years back ade na ba wo so it came as an enemy, so you attacked the thing as an enemy and you defeated the thing. But this time around 2026 Bonsambe develop new strategy ni be yes adeni beba won chance say wo dofo ebeba won chance say opawasam ebeba won chance say obeboa ebeba won chance say ebe elevate wani mra so na abrewase. Delilah did not came into the life of Samson as an enemy. She came into the life of Samson as a lover, as a wife, as a beloved, as someone who cares for Samson or known to Samson. Sana na Philistine for aplanti biribi wo Delilah mu emawre mfi se ade bia beba wo so answer wo no saa de kro no abefa new method so aba destroy enti se 2026 ahomachi na make say if you want to go far in life, if you want your life to become a testimony, o pese wa bra boy nkunimdi a hweniama eba wo so biribi etwem se ebe sel the same thing answer bonsam on sesani bonsam ankasa honama kono eniwa kono na asitema hohoahoa eno na ode temte Adam onya no eno na ode ko temte Yesu we nya no eno na ye so ode so ye hwe nemu in a different form. It ahoma achene na make say Paul will count ascending what Ephesians 6 no also we have to put on the whole armor of God so that we may be able to stand against the craftiness or the wiles of the devil. So I was telling the viewers this dawn said sisi abon someone use strategy or use adwene and the dinya ye enti is in the bone pun say but na mencho na emom is about branding inside someone whom you desire physically na only the panel da enya enti enguase eba won chance tamfo eke eba won chance tamfo awalija eba won chance tamfo ebeba won chance so obeboa odofo obemu enya baabi yesi nti wa anya careful na when discern and connect with to God amanyame ankyerɛ wo what really is behind what you are facing now. When you also the very thing you think is coming to help you might turn out to destroy you. If you want more, join me live and now I'm watching about 4 on my TikTok page John Asampong'S. Follow me who follow me now join me live I'm watching 4 to 5 from Monday to Friday and on Saturdays and Sundays you see you 5 and my friend said this month shaman encounter now what shaman sorry Abidjan encounter Carlos House and the shaman revival mene asofu ekunini na aka bom na shaman Hebrew word I search the oil encounter ye person woni nya ngosra bom punimpu na ye hwɛ de nyankopɔn bɛfa ngosra so ayo midin sesan midin da ho ade Asampong. Shalom. Bye.